Prabhas, whom do you really more respect for that elements of that scene?
My first reaction when Maruti sir told me that this scene is there, and we shot for that action sequence for a lot of days. Um, I was like, wow, sir, I can't believe you've written a scene like this in a Prabhas film. And his first reaction was, Malavika, I don't think any other hero apart from Prabhas would have allowed the director to have a scene like this, elevating the girl more in a scene. So he was like, hats off to Prabhas sir for allowing this. So they had a discussion, and Prabhas sir thought that it'll be really fun to have a scene like this. It'll also be fun for the female audience, for the girls watching. It's something for them also, right? It's an exciting factor. It's something unique. It's something you don't get to see in a lot of big hero movies. Like, who does that?
Who does that?
Who lets the heroine take over fully in an action sequence while he's not unconscious, not dying, and like watching, Because even the characters are like that, actually. Bhairavi's character and Prabhas's character, their equation, that scene, it's also because of their equation that they share. So I think it's a really cool scene to have in today's day and age where, so many young girls will also watch it and, be inspired by it.
You are a very powerful role you are playing in this because it is titled as Bhairavi. Bhairavi name is a very powerful name in mythology.
Right.
Bhairavi. Is really your character so powerful, or just like that Bhairavi was put to you?
I never asked Maruti sir this. But Bhairavi does have shades of, she will fight to protect the person she loves.
So she's really a Bhairavi.
She'll fight to protect her grandfather who she loves, and she'll fight to protect Prabhas sir who she loves. So yeah, she is Bhairavi.
She is Bhairavi.
I saw a lot of tweets after the trailer came out. Bhairava's Bhairavi. Because that's Prabhas sir's character in Kalki.
Bhairava Bhairavi.
Bhairava Bhairavi.
And see, today Prabhas' image is a very towering one across the globe. Across the globe, wherever Indians are there. Of course, there are people who have seen the other country, people are also have watched Kalki and before Bahubali, all that. He is a very big hero today in the Indian subcontinent. When when you came to know that you are paid against him, what was your first, foremost reaction for that?
When I got the call for the first time?
Yes.
So, sir, I was, I've mentioned this in a couple of other interviews, but I will say it because it's crucial to the story. So, I was called for Salar by Prashant Neel, sir. A few months after my movie with Talapati Vijay Master released, I got a call from Prashant Neel, sir, saying I'm making a movie with Prabhas, sir. I would like to meet you for the female lead. And I met him and got a narration, and everything went well. But then because of some date issues, it didn't work out that time. And I was like, I've missed a Prabhas movie, so that would have been the perfect Telugu debut, and it didn't happen. And after some 8-9 months, I got a call for 6 to 8 months. I got a call and it said it's for a Prabhas movie. And I quickly Googled, and the only news was Salar and Kalki, that's it. And I'm like, wait, this is Deepika Padukone is doing this. Salar didn't work out. So then, so I thought it was a scam call. I thought someone was pranking me. So I didn't believe it. And then they were like, okay, can you come down to Hyderabad to meet the director? So I was like, okay, now this can't be scam, because then you can't call someone to a different city and, then
yes,
at some point you need to prove, right? Okay, who is calling? So then I spoke to them. I was like, can you tell me more? And they were like, okay, the director's name is Maruti, and Prabhas sir is doing like a film with him. It's not announced yet. It's nowhere in the media. So that's why you're not seeing any information online. But then I was like, okay, this is real. So then I met Maruti sir in Hyderabad, got a narration, and then he told me the character, and I was like, wow, it's a Prabhas movie, which itself is like one dream debut. And then it's also, there's a lot for the girl to do. There are comedy scenes, there are romance scenes, there's action, there's a song. So I was like, this is a very, dream come true kind of debut.
But before this also, I think one of your films have started in Telugu and got shelved later.
No, sir, it never started.
Never started.
No, it never started. I signed it, that is true. I was going to do my Telugu debut with Vijay Deverakonda in this movie, which was titled Hero by Maitri Productions. So this was right after Dear Comrade. Vijay was going to do this, and that I was supposed to do, but he decided to do that movie later and did Liger instead of that. So that film got shifted, to no timeline set, but that got moved and Liger happened. So because of that didn't happen.
That film did not
Vijay
happen.
Deverakonda movie didn't happen.
Did not
Otherwise, that would have been my Telugu debut.
Telugu debut.
Which also I was very excited about because it was a love story.
Okay.
It was a love story, and the girl is a musician. She plays the piano. So again, it was a well-written role for the girl. But that didn't happen. So this is,
So there was never again a proposal to do with Devarakonda later.
Not yet.
Not yet. Not yet.
Not yet, because after that he's only done Liger and then Kingdom and like only 2-3 movies, no? Till now. I think Liger went on for a long time.
Very
right?
long time.
Very long. So almost 3 years, 4 years, I think he was caught up with Liger only.
Yes.
But hopefully in the future.
But when it comes to the point of your career, do you think, what is your understanding about your journey here? Do you really find it promising, very promising,
In
highly
Telugu
promising?
or
In general, your career. How do you find your career?
I feel right now, since the last 2 years, especially, I feel I'm getting to work with some of the best filmmakers across multiple industries. Like for example, I got to work with Pa Ranjit in Tamil. I got to, my last release was a Malayalam movie with Mohanlal sir called Hridayapurvam,
Hridayapur.
which is with a legendary, iconic filmmaker in Malayalam called Satyan Andikad. I have grown up watching his movies. So it was a combo Satyan Andikad Mohanlal film, and that made 100 crores, and it was like a blockbuster in Kerala. Did really well. So that was like another dream come true for me in terms of fantastic maker, legendary actor. My next release is with Karthi sir, this movie called Sardar 2. Again, very interesting movie. Then with Prabhas sir, Raja Saab. So last 2 years have been back to back with such exciting projects of fantastic actors, fantastic directors. I've signed a couple of films now, which they'll announce maybe in like 2-3 weeks or something. But again, very, very interesting films. So I'm very happy with everyone I'm working with right now. And I feel like I'm working in very different genres and with
Different
very different
languages.
type of different languages, and I'm working across all industries right now. So I'm also doing a Kannada movie with a superstar there, which is starting in February or March. So even Kannada I'm doing. I did Malayalam, Tamil, Telugu, so everything is. So it's fun. It's a
You're a
lot of fun.
pan-India hero.
హిట్ టీవీ యాప్ ఇందులో షార్ట్ న్యూస్, లైవ్ న్యూస్, ఎంటర్టైన్మెంట్ షోస్, మూవీస్, డిజిటల్ మ్యాగజైన్స్ తో పాటు మీ జిల్లా వార్తలను కూడా ఫ్రీగా చూడొచ్చు. ఇంకెందుకు ఆలస్యం, వెంటనే హిట్ టీవీ యాప్ ని డౌన్లోడ్ చేసుకుని ఫ్రీగా ఎంటర్టైన్మెంట్ పొందండి.
Hit TV app.
హిట్ టీవీ యాప్.
Please download Hit TV app.
హిట్ టీవీ యాప్ని ఫ్రీగా డౌన్లోడ్ చేసుకొని ఎంజాయ్ చేయండి.
మీకు నచ్చిన ఎంటర్టైన్మెంట్ కోసం హిట్ టీవీ యాప్ ని ఫ్రీగా డౌన్లోడ్ చేసుకుని ఎంజాయ్ చేయండి.
హిట్ టీవీ యాప్ని డౌన్లోడ్ చేసుకుని ఆస్వాదించండి, ఆశీర్వదించండి.
ఇంతమంది సెలబ్రిటీలు హిట్ టీవీ యాప్ ని డౌన్లోడ్ చేసుకోండి అని చెప్తున్నారంటే ఎంత మంచి యాప్ ఆలోచించండి.
అమెరికా 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 అమెరికాలో చదవాలనుకునే వాళ్ళకి విశ్వసనీయమైన పేరు మన శౌర్య కన్సల్టెన్సీ.
UK Law 1 Year Masters. UK Law 1 Year Masters. 2 years work permit up to 5 years visa. Contact Saurya Consultancy.
Contact 89851 89851.